morning today, or afternoon rather. Today we have had some cold temperatures, even though we've been enjoying lots of blue sky and sunshine. It is pretty frigid out there. This morning we dipped down pretty low into the teens below zero, and now we are still stuck below zero in a lot of spots. We're looking at 11 below being our coldest temperature currently in Crookston. We're at 8 below in Grand Forks and Fargo, 6 below still, and we're at 8 below in Fosston. Jamestown, we've seen our temperature climb to 0, and then over to the east we've been a little milder in Park Rapids and Wadena at 9 degrees there. That's an area that's had that cloud cover hang on a little bit longer, helping to insulate us a little bit more here today. And wind chills are even lower. We were down into the 30s below in a lot of spots earlier on. Not seeing that on the map right now, which is good, but it's still frigid. We're still down into the 20s below. In Grand Forks, that's our lowest wind chill at 28 below. It's 25 below in Fargo right now. So tough wind chills that you'll want to bundle up for here for today. Now, wind speeds are easing up. We're seeing wind speeds about 5 to 15 miles per hour at this point. So that's good, both for wind chills, but also we did have that little bit of drifting going on since last night, and that's winding down with the easing up of those winds currently out of the west, northwest, or northerly direction. So another view of our visible satellite map, the black and white version to depict where that snow pack happens to be. And of course, it's covering the entire valley. Even in the east where it looks like we may not have much snow, those are the evergreen trees blocking our view of it. And you can kind of see where we've had some cloud cover lingering over to the south and east where you see the movement on our loop here. That's starting to move on into out of parts of Lakes Country. So we're starting to clear out there, and just about everybody here seeing some sunshine. So heading through the afternoon hours today, we will be warming up into that 0-degree range. So heading home from work and school today, looking to be a little bit better than this morning, but it's still going to be frigid. Still going to need to get that car warmed up here today. And then heading into tonight, we'll watch those temperatures drop yet again. So as we see that sun go down, we'll see some double digits below 0 yet again. This is around 11 o'clock tonight. You can see it's our eastern viewing area that's going to be coldest. Out west, we'll be starting to see some changes happening. Wind coming in out of the south with our next little disturbance moving in, and that's going to bring about some cloud cover and that, again, that southerly wind. Both of those things do help to keep our temperatures from dropping that much, and in fact we may even see our numbers rise overnight there. And throughout the valley we start to recover overnight from an initial big cool down. Heading into the 8 o'clock hour Saturday morning, you could see temperatures similar to where our highs will be today, right around 0. Some clouds rolling through. Can't rule out an isolated flurry or a little bout of light snow underneath these clouds. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we're really warming things up. By noon tomorrow, we're in the teens and even a couple of 20s possible out west, a little colder to the east. And we're building off of that throughout the day with that southwest wind kicking in, highs reaching the teens to some low 20s. So kind of still below average, but not as frigid as today. So your Saturday is looking better, partly to mostly cloudy skies coming up for the first half of the weekend. And into Sunday, we'll see more cloud cover, especially in the south as a system passes by, mainly to the south, but we could have a few flakes with that, especially along the border with South Dakota. And then into next week, getting more active. Wednesday, still have that highlighted in red because we may be dealing with the potential for a strong storm system. Still kind of looking iffy on that, but still want to alert you that it's going to be a more active week next week.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.